As with anything worth learning, to complete this course and achieve your learning objectives, you'll need to put aside time and make significant effort. In this lecture, we'll look at a few things you can do so that the time that you spend on this course is both effective and enjoyable. In this course, I use an Arduino Uno and various modules that come with the SunFounder 3-in-1 kit for Arduino. You can see the complete listing of hardware components in the course parts list at texplore/Arduino ENV. If you haven't already watched my dedicated lecture on the hardware components for this course, please do so before you begin work. You don't have to use the same hardware that I did, and you don't need to purchase the SunFounder kit. While it is convenient, you can source all of the components that you need from many online sellers such as Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress, and of course your local electronics DIY store. Using an Arduino Uno compatible board is okay, and it's also okay to use an Arduino Mega 2560 as it is electrically and programmatically compatible with the Arduino Uno. The SunFounder 3-in-1 Arduino kit contains all the necessary parts for this course except for the 2x16 LCD module without the I2C backpack. The kit does contain a 2x16 LCD module, but it has the I2C backpack, and this course will be using one without it. You can find the LCD module without the backpack on the SunFounder website or, of course, your preferred retailer. You can find a complete listing of the hardware for this course on our website at texplore/Arduino ENV. This course has a GitHub repository that contains all code and schematics. You can copy this code to save time and reduce the risk of bugs. You can also print the schematics and annotate them with your modifications. And you can see the URL for the repository in this slide. You can download the entire repository to your computer as a zip file, or you can work with one file at a time. The GitHub repository is easy to navigate. Each file name starts with the numerical ID of the lecture. You can use these numbers to find the sketch and schematic for each lecture quickly. Now, let's talk about time. Learning anything worthwhile takes time, so plan for your learning and dedicate the necessary time to your schedule. Be in control of your learning through planning. I've designed this course for people already familiar with Arduino, wiring, and programming. You should complete this course by following the lectures in the order they appear in the curriculum. You should plan to complete each prototype in a single sitting. Allocate around 1 hour for each prototype, although it is possible to complete them in half that time. Mark a lecture as completed only after you have achieved its practical objectives and have understood it. If you proceed through the course without completing the practical and learning objectives of each lecture, you'll strike an obstacle that you won't be able to overcome later, and you have to backtrack. Now I hope that you are ready to begin. In the next section, you learn about the individual components that you'll use in the Arduino Environment Monitor Project.